Each and every day of our lives, we are given a chance. There's always a chance. Today, there's no other way to better celebrate this day than to give everyone an opportunity sa mga tao na once upon a time, katulad din nila, katulad ko rin po, kung dati nakikinig, ngayon sila na mismo nagsishare. It reminds me of my reasons when I started. Hindi ako pinanganak na eto na ako, hindi ako pinanganak, suddenly na nandito na ako. Once upon a time, I also started. Somewhere from behind, at the end of the room, I was listening, nakikinig po ako. I was hoping, I was wishing that the presentation ends right away. Sana matapos na. Hindi dahil hindi ko nagugustuhan yung naririnig ko, pero sana matapos na so I can go home and I can start right away. And many of us in life, we are always excited when we hear new things, when we see new things, when we begin new things. But you see, a lot of people do not see to themselves that the finer, the better, the greater things in life do not only come from excitement. People must be willing to endure the challenges of day-to-day business even when it is no longer exciting, even when it is already difficult. Every time you attend events like this, it kinds of brings things to you that somehow you have forgotten when you started. Maraming tao nagsisimula, alam nila yung purpose nila. Habang tumatagal, nakakalimutan nila yung purpose nila. Nung unang benta, excited. Nung unang sign-up, excited. Nung unang match, excited. The third month, the fourth month, na may multi-level, things became normal. A lot of people get bored in life, even when they get their dreams in life. Marami sa atin, habol ng habol sa pera, habol ng habol sa pangarap, habol ng habol sa kasiyahan. Na kung tutuusin, lahat siya, hindi mo kailangan habulin. Dahil lahat siya magsisimula sa iyo. May prospect ka, napapunta on the way, hindi dumating, follow-up ka ng follow-up. 5 minutes, nandiyan na ako, 5 hours, wala pa. But you still believe that that person will arrive. And then you will present an opportunity to somebody. Excited, gustong-gusto niya, ang dami niyang tanong, in the end, ito yung halaga ng package. Sasabihin sa'yo, itatanong ko sa asawa ko. Yung buhay na pinili mo, pagpasok mo sa negosyo ng N-World, being an entrepreneur is not an easy thing. It's not an easy task. Nakikita mo kahit na problema ng ibang tao, sasapuhin mo. We are not willing to pay the price, but we want the prize. When in reality, true success is all about giving. It's not about achieving, it's about giving. The moment you understand your mission in this company, the deeper you will be. The stronger you will become. The whole world may decline you, but you will be standing firm and solid because you know your mission. And it's only you who knows the mission. People who are wealthy in their minds, when somebody becomes successful, they will congratulate, they will be happy. You will know when you're becoming more successful, more wealthy every day, when you start thinking of happiness over a person's success. There must be an adjustment from the cultural way of thinking of most of us. When you make big or small successes, celebrate. When I say celebrate, you don't have to spend to celebrate. Celebrate by thanking Him. Celebrate by treating people right, treating yourself well, treating your loved ones right. That's how you celebrate. A lot of people don't know this. Ang iniisip ng marami, kaya nagkakaroon ng magandang buhay doon kasi kumikita na malaki, ginagastos. Hindi po ganun dapat. Kung nagawa niyo yan by following the formula, you only spend what's left after your savings and your contingencies. Hindi yung baligtad. Pag yan ang nasa isip mo ngayon, kahit kumita ka 10,000 sa isang linggo, wala ka ngayong standard. Hindi nakakahiya na wala kang sasakyan in 6 months. Hindi nakakaya na nagko-commute ka, 3 years ka na sa N-World. Hindi nakakaya na nahihirapan ka, nagbebenta ka, nag-aalo ka ng produkto kahit matagal ka na nagne-network. Dahil wala kang pakialam sa mga sasabihin ng tao dahil tama yung ginagawa mo. Wala kang pakialam sa standard na isiset sa'yo ng kapitbahay mo, ng negative mong prospect, ng taga-ibang kumpanya, ba't wala ka pang kotse kung talagang maganda yan? Hindi yan ang sukatan ng totoong ganda. Bakit ka mamumuhay o papahirapan mo yung sarili mo para sa standard ng ibang tao? It is your life. We encourage people. We lift up people. That's what wealthy people do. inaangat yung tao, hindi kinukutya. Wala pa rin kutya. That's not true. I know a lot of people are thinking how to handle objections, how to handle negative people. Number one, you don't even have to handle them. Go to the next. If you know that you have the power to create, if you know that you have the power to make things happen, guys, congratulations. You are on your way to financial freedom. Don't do things for others. I'm gonna do this because hindi ka naniniwala. Do that thing, do your hustle, do your thing, just because you want to do it for yourself. And for the one who made you and made you alive and breathing every day. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you so much. To God be the glory.